Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are in Kansas and I am here down in the basement, and today's video is in the basement in Kansas at my grandmother's house. And what this video is you probably saw in the intro, but the train, we're downstairs with the train set. And let me show you the train set. And every time we come here to Kansas, which is like a 12-hour drive. It's like a 12-hour drive from Texas. It's like a 12-hour drive from Houston or Brookshire, whatever you'd say, to Kansas and Leawood. 12-hour drive, and we have been here for a week. This is the last day, and let's get started with the train. Hey guys, hopefully you liked seeing the track, and I'm going to show you guys how to start the train. So there's this thing right here, and it says, there's this thing right here, and it says stop right here, and it says full. So you can turn this right here. So it's 60, and the train goes that fast. And you can turn it to, this is full speed. That is full speed. That's pretty fast. And you can stop it at a, so we have to build, every time we come down, we build a track, or we build something, or do something to it. And this time we came, we built that, and we built that. You can see the house and then the water tank. So we built both of those, and last time we came, we built that. So it's Peter's Luggage Works. So that's something old. And with that, so what it is, you can like bring your luggage. You probably already know by what it sounds like, but you can bring your luggage there, and you can pick up your luggage. It's not really, I don't think it's where you like get on. I think it's where like you bring your luggage there, and you can like put your luggage there and like put it on the train and like go around. Hopefully you like the thing or the train set, and you can see that the train set just goes around in a big loop. I'll show you. You probably already saw, but you can see the rooms, which is the hotel and stuff. And then actually today we built this dirt road right here. We built this dirt road and goes to the barn and then onto this road. And this field was already here, but we made it bigger. So like right here, we put grass here and here. And this road was actually made today. And we put grass here. Grass was already there, but we deleted some of the grass there and here. Or when there was no grass here or here. And we put some grass there. And this is the train set. Hopefully you think that's like really realistic. You probably didn't know, but there's like a door there that goes out. hopefully you like the train set. And did you know that this car right here that you saw, it was actually, I know it's little, but it was actually $30. And the last time we came, we actually got this little car. And as you can see, it's not that big. It's like decent size. You can see my hand. It's about almost as big as my hand. So not too little, but little. It's probably as little as a Hot Wheels car. But it's like really realistic and good and fragile. So it's really expensive. If you're wondering what scale this train is at, so if you don't know what I'm talking about, there's like different scales. And like this one is an HO scale. If you go to Amazon, you can see like you can see like the trains, and then I think if you I think this other stuff is on Amazon too. But we have like this. So this is like the dirt right here. This is the dirt, which was used like here and around here, around the road. And then this is the grass. So there's dark grass, and then there's light grass. So if you mix those colors, it'll turn into this color, which is pretty cool. I don't know where we got this, because the first time I ever saw this, I don't really know how old I was, but the first time I ever saw this was already here. So the only things that we've bought that I didn't know about is we bought this today. We bought the house with the water tank, but this barn and all those 4 buildings and this big hole and not that actually it was only the barn. When I first saw it, there was only the barn, that, and then that train stop right there, and then these 4 buildings. There was no road. Like there's grass, there's probably grass like right here. No dirt, like on the whole entire track. The only grass was over here in like a field. But the horses were also here. You can see the horses in there. And what's pretty cool about this, it's kind of falling apart, but if you can see, this is actually used by real string. If you want to see the front, you can see the front. Yeah, it's kind of hard to show. Sorry if you think the lighting is bad, but it's just because we're in the basement, and it is right now. It's about, let me see. Sorry, it's 8:35. So tomorrow at like 5, I think we're gonna leave here and go see my dad. Cause me and my mom and my brother were the only ones that came. So I'm really looking forward to seeing my dad, and because I've really been missing him. And if you can see, probably wondering what this was, but this is actually a whistle. So it sounds like a train. So if you want to see the train again for the last time, here is the train. And we are done with the train, and hopefully you guys like the train. We try to make it as realistic as we can, because we want it really realistic because, you know why? Just because, just so it looks cool. Because the more realistic things are, the better they look. And maybe next time. Actually, maybe next time we come, I'll bring the phone. I'll record the video of us making the thing, maybe like in a time lapse. If I can. I don't know if this phone has time lapse on here. But show you guys around one more time. Then I'm gonna have to go and show you a little bit other stuff like the backyard. Okay, let's see. You have that. You have the car, the windows, the train, and then the train's in there right now. And then that, and the house is there, and the barn, 4 buildings, and the car. And this is actually, I don't know what it is. It's a general store. So this place is actually a general store. And that, the horses, the other horses, the trees. If I don't forget, maybe next time we come, like I said, maybe I'll time lapse us making another one, if I can, and then show you. I don't know if they have bushes, but next time we might add some bushes. Next time try and do time lapse, add some stuff, and then I'll show you around again, just because it'll be a while. And I'll see you guys in the backyard. Hey guys, we're in the backyard, and you're probably wondering what that noise is. They have a fish pond with a whole bunch of fish waiting for food. And they have a waterfall, if you guys can see it. It's quite a bit. And see you guys in my next video. Like and subscribe.